Alright. My name is Mr. Lecky. I'm a music producer. It's a beautiful day that the Lord has made. I've been waiting a very long time to do this video, and I'm glad the time has presented itself. And so I decided to make it as fresh as it is right now. And so it was that a young boy at a very young age started living the dream, started living the life of a celebrity, because they had him on camera at age 10. I'm talking about no other but Davido. Davido, when he turned 10 years of age, the father bought him an expensive car that a lot of rich people, as of today, cannot afford. Let's face it. But his father did buy him a car. Now, Davido started his music career on a very good note. Why I talk so? He did Damiduro, though he had done a song with Neto C, and I remembered that year he paid Neto C a whopping 3 million, I stand corrected, to be featured on his song as a that year. Now, the reason he paid that huge amount isn't because he has the money, but the passion that drives him was what I believe pushed him to paying that money. You understand? At a very early age. From that period, he paid Neto C. Check the progress of Davido's music. You will discover that he kept getting better and better and better and better and better. And so he did Damiduro with a producer, a wonderful producer called Shizzy. Damiduro was a smash as at the period Damiduro came out. And if you watch that Damiduro video, the video had everybody in that video, including Wizkid. Davido na the kind of person they play inclusive music in. And that's one thing that a lot of superstars find very difficult doing. He included a lot of faces. Now, with the money that he has, even without including the faces that he had included in that video, he still would have amounted to something. But no, not the video that I know. He played inclusive music and had everybody in that song. Watch the video, you go know. And from then, he has done song upon song upon song upon song upon song. Now, let's be frank. I had people say, oh, Davido know the right to music. This is that. But all of the people that are involved in the music that Davido have done will not be here right. Davido know they leave them go empty-handed. He paid handsomely for it. And mind you, in America, a lot of these celebs that you're seeing, a lot of these superstars that you're seeing, don't write their songs themselves. A lot of them know they write their music themselves. A lot of them, their business not to write, including Michael Jackson, did they write for Michael Jackson? R. Kelly, did they write for R. Kelly? A lot of these superstars, as in international superstar, we don't hear their song. A lot of their songs are not written by them. In fact, you get people their primary business not to write song. So I don't understand why people will come online and say, oh, they don't know the writing song. Who cares? Now, there's this debate that I saw online when Peruzzi was conversing with Kidominat. Kidominat, I love you with the whole of my heart. No worry, it comes to your matter. When Peruzzi was conversing with Kidominat and they were going back and forth, talking about, oh, I wrote Susan's song. This one said I wrote Susan's song. And in between, the video man came and said, okay, he writing, thank God, he writes Susan's song. But see the truth. Any song that either Kidominat or Peruzzi had written for Davido to sing, none of those songs would have been as big as it is had Davido not sang it. If Peruzzi has sang the songs that he has written, or Kidominat has sang the song that he has written, or any artist for that matter, if those artists been sing those songs when they write give Davido, I swear to God, none of those songs for they as big as it be as Davido singer. All of those songs were smashed, not because the song was properly written, but because somebody delivered it very well. Now, one thing for you to write song, and another thing for you to have somebody deliver the song very well. Davido delivers the song fluently, excellently, and it comes out a smash. Let me tell you one of the things that makes Davido a very great artist. As a matter of fact, Davido is one of, if not the greatest artist that have ever lived. Davido is one of the artists that understands what music businessing is, and he has done it successfully. We rise by lifting others. Nobody have done it like Davido has. Olamide have done a lot of it. Very few people, now they don't do them. Very few. But Davido have done it even more. You know how many people did Davido playlist? We not even talk music. Davido have helped a lot of people outside music. And one of the things that these are superstars, both now superstars and before superstars now understand now. You can't live a superstar life alone. You don't fit last long alone. You will last even more longer when you include people in your stardom. How do I mean? A lot of these superstars, we don't forget, they get the time way music, they tire us to hear. There are times you play, your song will consistently be played, or you record, types and tons of songs that people will just get tired of you. one of the best way you can reserve that strength of yours is when you include another person in the movement. When you have a boy that you put your hands on and say, this is my artist. I want so person to collaborate with him. I want so person to collaborate with him. Before you know what is happening, money will come from another corner. But a lot of these superstars, just when they start living the life, they forget about everybody and focus solely on themselves. And with time, they will fade out. See somebody like Ife, that guy who win Baby Ninja. You see, nobody talks about him anymore. What he did wrong is, yes, I understand he has a passion for music, but anything when nothing work for you, nothing work for you. You understand? You had the kind of money you have. I don't say still get money now, but a lot of those money went on waste because it was not channeled properly. Just get a boy with service. Imagine saying that if he sign somebody like a Fireboy or sign somebody like Joe Boy. You know how good those boys did? With your connection and all the influence where you get for the music industry, you will make those guys great. By so doing, you're automatically great. Now let me come back to Davido. Davido did it with a lot of artists. Davido brought Shizzy into the equation. And Shizzy is a very wonderful producer. In fact, when I noticed that Shizzy don't want to produce Davido song, I bled in my heart. I said, oh God, what's happened between Davido? I swear to God, I was finding a way to, communicate Davido to still remember and go back to Shizzy. Up until I saw blow my mind with Chris Brown and noticed it was Shizzy that produced it. Ask people they ran me. I was so excited that I started crying. I like the song even before I listened to them because you see Davido is the smartest kid I've ever known. Think of anybody that Davido had problem with in the past. Davido have made sure he settled all his problems with everybody that he had problems with. How many times you don't see Davido baby mamas come online and say, this, that. Everybody around Davido is happy. And that's the beauty of musicking. He don't go beyond just an ordinary musician. He's doing things outside music, blessing people. Now, all of these people Davido don't bless, I don't count them. Peruzzi, Mayoku, Dremo, Shizzy, Kidominant. You know where Kidominant is now? Kidominant is in America. Atlantis signed a record contract with an American company for 5 years. That would have not happened had Davido not been in the equation. I know Kidominant is good, but he got even better when Davido came through. Davido made the world knew about Kidominant. Do you understand? So it is with Shizzy. Everybody knows Shizzy. Shizzy is a household name because of Davido. Davido is one artist that nobody should mess with. Davido is, their families are, the family of Davido, too get back. The rich way, Davido supposed to be arrogant. Do you know how hard it is for Davido to be as rich as he is and still consistently maintain good relationship with people? When Davido did the collaboration he did with Fastback guy on Olamide, where he said, Dele, na my boy, Dele, na my boy, Dele. See, when that news escalated, watch a video that Davido went and prostrated before Dele, Mr. Dele, I'm sorry, with all due respect, sir. And everything was forgiven. That issue was forgotten because he gets it. When he had issues with Whiskey, Davido was the one that called for settlements. Davido, Godfather and Aliko Dangote for God's sake. But the guys still know they're arrogant. Okay, let's leave music. Comedy. Sidney Tucker, now Davido bring her. Father, where they make money today, now Davido. This other guy, Nasty, now Davido. A lot of these boys with Davido don't help. When later they get issue, Davido came through. When this other person they get issue, Davido came through. Davido has been coming through for a lot of people. And that's the reason a lot of these superstars, they're jealous of him. Now, why can't you do what Davido have done? If every superstar mimic the lifestyle of Davido, help at least one person as you they go, a lot of the upcoming artists where you see today for them they make their millions. If it get within the video power, every of the upcoming artists go blow. All of the boys that are around Davido don't buy their house for Lekki. All of them get their own very mansion for Lekki. All of them are bosses on their own. And if we should see that guy Davido sign contract with any of those boys, because by now you could only hear, contract this one, contract that one, just as a lot of artists don't get over the years. But when Peruzzi came on board, even Peruzzi said it himself that he don't sign any contract with Davido. Yet, Peruzzi is as successful as he is right now in the music industry because of the same Davido. What thing again now make Davido do? What has he not done? As rich as in day, I swear to God, if na me get the kind of money Davido get, no, me I no go do like that. Me cannot call myself. If na some people get the kind of money Davido get, they go dey stupidly arrogant. But even when Davido do something wrong to you, he finds a way to settle with you. He finds a way to apologize. I've seen it happen over time. See those two guys, they come online, talk blah 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 about Davido. Davido got them arrested. And they showed them love at the end of the day. Even dash them money on top. Upon what they do, upon say they define image, upon the disrespect, he still showed them love. How many artists we do? What else would you have Davido do? He has done everything doable. He's a legend. So when he says that he tags himself as the greatest artist as with Whiskey, what's wrong in it, na lie? The greatness of a man is not measured by how much he has in his account or her account. The greatness of a man is measured by how many people he has impacted in. And Davido has impacted more life than any of these artists, any of these celebrities combined together would ever do. What else would you have Davido do that has not been done? Davido has blessed a lot of families. Davido has sponsored a lot of people in school and still sponsors a lot of people. Davido has helped a lot of musicians. Whether I sign you, whether I don't sign you, if they help, if they give you money, if they do this one. Now, I remember that time where I love Cynthia Morgan with the whole of my spirit. At some point, I was thinking something was wrong with Cynthia Morgan. Like say she, a lot of things they go through my mind. You understand? Not knowing saying a problem you get with the record company. Jude Okoye of P Square, with all due respect to you, I love you, sir, from the depth of my heart. But Cynthia Morgan is too good an artist to just be forgotten like that. No matter what Cynthia Morgan do, Jesus of mercy, that girl too powerful. Her music too powerful for you to answer everything for my. It no matter what she do, there are ways of going around these things. I beg, let her still bear her name, because when I heard she wanted to change her name, I said, what you want to change your name to again? Cynthia Morgan is perfect. I beg you, Dukoye, I beg you, in the name of God, just let Cynthia Morgan. She's too talented a girl to be relegated on the background. It can't happen. It shouldn't happen. She is good. And now, why is the video? Even the time with Cynthia Morgan, I watched the video with Cynthia Morgan, they called the video fuckboy, this, that. What did the reply the video give her? He wished her well. Even at that point where she disrespect them, where she call her names. That's an old story, sha. But the point I'm trying to make is today, the same video is coming through for Cynthia Morgan. How many of our celebrities, how many of your favorite artists have done that? None. But Davido is still doing more and more. Why his music go fade? Why would The Rock not choose Davido as his favorite artist? Why would people not? Why would Kanye West not remix Fall by Davido? Why would people in America not love and respect Davido when Davido is helping people everywhere? Davido know they do chop alone. With the kind of money Davido do, he suppose they do chop alone. But he no do am. Davido they do come chop with me. Even if you no give me, come chop with me, come chop with me, come chop with me, come chop with me. A lot of your favorite celebrities are self-centered and greedy. I told you that I've worked with a lot of celebs. Why not show me any better love? Where do me anyhow? I say somebody disgraced me because of 100 naira extra meat where I order. Meat no be food, but I was disgraced for it. A superstar threw me out of his hotel room because he don't high. Spoil my mic. Still insult me on top. No still allow me sleep. I go sleep for reception. Because he say I no go sleep inside a room and my equipment no go dey in room. We have to carry and go keep for a manager room. Davido will not do that to me. Do you understand? So Davido is too rich, too popular to be bringing himself to the point where you go to wonder, nah Davido. But he does these things with ease. How many celebrities can do those things? My brother, none. Once money don't enter the celebrities' question, brain don't block. But Davido brain still never block. He still helps people in their numbers. And let me tell you, if Davido had not helped anybody, he still would have been the greatest because he sabi the music business well. Now see Davido click. Check the 3 billion gang click. All of them are bosses. All of them are money men. All of them, they well. That is how to build your legacy. Even if Davido don't do music again, in children, Peruzzi no go forget. Dremo no go forget. Menyonko no go forget. You understand? Shizzy no go forget. Kidomina no go forget. Do you understand? So to me, I put it to you that Davido is the greatest musician in Nigeria that has ever done music to the fullest. So the next time I see anybody, I don't care who you are, talking shit about Davido, I swear to God, I'll take and personal with you. Davido lifestyle and the kind of lifestyle with me, I want to live. Davido name, na David. My name, na David. Will be namesake. And me, I don't vow, say, one day, Davido, Obio will bless me. Me, if Obio will bless me, that same blessing, it's easy. I get to believe saying he will bless me because he has done it for a lot of people. And he will do it for me. He will do it for you. As far as he get, okay, see the boy we capture the pictures of him and Wizkid. 1 million, just like that. The Ikorodu boys do one thing, 1 million, just like that. Who gives that kind of money to you? Who blesses you like that? You want to talk of these people where Davido don't help too many people. Davido don't help too many people. Even some of our so-called legends, I don't want to call him, they never ever show people love like Davido don't show people. My son know they here right now. If you want me, Davido, I beg. Obio, I don't on my knees. See me, I beg. Show me love too. I beg. You don't do it for people. If you feel Davido transform Gateman, transform Gateman life. Now go check Father. Father talks to superstars as in international superstars. That can only happen when you're rolling with Davido, when you're rolling with DMW, when you're rolling with the 3 billion gang. Davido, I beg. I will include myself for you. I beg. Help me life. Please. I don't suffer for the industry. I don't suffer for background. I beg. Hope you, I beg. My name is David too. I beg. Don't forget me. Me, I don't say you go bless me, but bless me or not, you're my hero. I've been praying for you from day one. Ask people they know me. You are my everything about you, they sweet me. Everything about you, they sweet me. God bless OBO. God bless the 3 billion gang. God bless DMW. God bless everybody. We bless Davido. If you still there with me, say amen.